This video, I will explain you how to price match at Home Depot online. So the first step is to verify the item. So you're gonna have to make sure that the item on HomeDepot.com is identical to the one on a competitor's website. So you're gonna have to check the same model, brand, size, and color. And the competitor must have the item in stock. Now you're gonna have to gather proof of the lower price and then simply contact their customer support through live chat or simply call them at this number here, and basically you're gonna have to provide the associate with the SKU or internet number from homedepot.com, the competitor's name and the competitor's identifier for the product, and basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.